Love is on the air and you can feel the love everywhere. Ina-ina naman ang katagang Love is Blind at marinig mo na naman ang kanta ni Mariah Carey na Valentine. Mabuhay Pilipinas, today is February 1, 2025, unang araw ng buwan ng mapagmahal, buwan ng mga minamahal o buwan ng mga sawi sa pagmamahal, martyr sa pagmamahal o mas pinili naman maging single at I love myself na lang. Hello world and hello Philippines! Inday Maharlika is back. At kung nais nyo mapabilang sa ating everyday sanitation ng inyong mga probinsya, o galing nyo lamang pong magbigay ng inyong resulta mula first draw, second draw, and third draw together with your provinces para agad natin mahanapan ng tamang interval to make you win. At dahil ko lamang itong hintayin every 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. only, kaya nyo pang hintayin nyo guys, mag-subscribe ka na para like ang update. Today is February 1, 2025 at narito na ating petsa sumada nationwide. And here we now for our given number na 21. Nang ibig pong sabihin yan, ang dalawang puso'y pinag-iisa na. And for our legendary 2025, ang magnanakaw ng kaligayahan or sadyang nawawalang swerte sa kanyang katawan. And for our number 2, it's number of 1910. Nang ibig pong sabihin yan ay mag-asawang tumataba sa pagmamahal. So why I choose 1910? Because of 1 plus 9 plus 10 equals to 20 and 20 belongs to number 2. And for number 1, I choose the number of 18. 1. Nag-ibig pong sabihin yan ay hinubaran ng pagmamahal. So I choose 18-1 because 1 plus 8 plus 1 equals to 10 and 10 belongs to number 1. And for 20, I choose the number of 37-19 na ang ibig pong sabihin yan, matandang lalaking nag-asawa. So I choose 37-19 because 3 plus 7 equals to 10 plus 1 plus 9 equals to number 20. And for number 25, I choose number of 10-15 na ang ibig pong sabihin yan ay magandang bibilogin. So why I choose 10, 15? Because of 10 plus 15 equals to number 25. And here we know for the first lucky number for today, February 1, 2025. Of course, 19 plus 10 equals to 29 and 19 plus 1 equals to 19. Ang ibig pong sabihin ng 29-19 ay mag-asawang namayapa na. And the first lucky number is 29-19. And here we now for our second lucky number, of course, 37 minus 19 equals to 18 and 10 plus 15 equals to 25. Ang ibig pong sabihin ng 1825, our second lucky number is nagubad sa kaligayahan or hinubaran ng swerte. And here we now for our, of course, our strongest number for today, February 1, 2025. 29 minus 19 is equal to 10 and 18 minus 25 equals to 7. Ang ibig sabihin po ng 10-7 ay batang lalaking mahilig sa barya. And our number 10 ay pwede siyang maging 25. Ang ating 7 ay pwede siyang maging 34. So our strongest number for today, February 1, 2025 is number 10-7. 10, 25, 10, 34, 7, 34, 7, 25, or 25, 34. And that is for now. Don't forget to like and to subscribe my channel para kayong updated. Thank you for watching and subscribe. I love you all and God bless. Subscribe.